Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's Skater. Welcome to the channel. Summer is finally here, whether it feels like it or not, with everything going on in the world currently. I mean, literally, summer solstice is 1 week away from the date this video is going live. But anyway, Into the AM sent me some of their tees from the relatively new branded basic collections, and we're going to be checking them out. I'm actually pretty excited to be doing so because I actually ordered a few of these a couple weeks ago, and I've been waiting for a time to open them up. So we're gonna look at these ones as well. But let's start off with the black basics tee we have right here. Let's go ahead and just open this up first. Toss this to the side and reveal your tee right here. The branded basics come in two different types of fabrics. These t-shirts have a 60-40 poly cotton blend, same exact materials as they use as their graphic tees. Again, pretty basic tee. Notice no Into the AM logo on the back there. The only logo you got is this one right here. So there is your black one. Let's go ahead and crack open the charcoal one now, which again is pretty much going to be the, it's sticky. Same exact type of t-shirt here, but here is your charcoal looking one. Has a little bit of a nice texture to it that I'm pretty fond of. Both of these are fitting as expected, which is great. I mean, they fit well, snug in the arms. I don't know what it is about all the charcoal tees, but I feel like they're way softer than the other ones, and I love them. And yeah, there are 12 total colors of the poly cotton tees. You got this, the black one and this charcoal one, and you'll be seeing two other of them at the end of this video. Moving on to the other fabric we have here. This one, I believe, is the dark jean, or no, it's called blue jean one, and this is their other fabric, which, oh yeah, first impressions here is definitely a different type of fabric. Go ahead and take a good look at that. These 100% cotton ones fit a little bit different than the poly blend. They're a little bit more looser all around, and the material feels a bit more coarse, more like a regular cotton t-shirt. But compared to like a normal Hanes t-shirt, which is the first thing that comes to my mind when I think 100% poly or 100% cotton, it's definitely a thinner material, and it's a little bit more, I don't know, soft, so a little smoother than the typical 100% cotton shirt, but still fit well and fit much better than a lot of the 100% cotton shirts that I own. I would definitely prefer this over those. Now, last but not least, we have this one's the ocean color. It's a, oh, this one comes with the sticker. I don't know if the poly blend one didn't come with the sticker. These two come with the sticker, so I don't know if that was intentional or not. But this is the ocean one. It's a nice ocean blue. It's actually pretty fond of this color here. Ooh, I think I like the ocean one a lot better than the blue jean one, if I'm gonna be honest. But one other thing I wanted to mention is this material is not as stretchy as the poly cotton, which is to be expected. With the poly cotton ones, I was able to easily put this over with my hat on. These ones, the neckline, like, it didn't stretch as far, and I was having trouble doing that because it is 100% cotton. But these 100% cotton ones come in 4 total colors. There's 2 other colors in this one. I think there's charcoal, and green is the other one, a nice big bright green. The charcoal one is like a charcoal light grayish type of color. Now, before we end the video, I do have my 2 other ones here that I'm gonna open up real quick. Bam, I magically opened them up. I'm not gonna throw these on because I don't want to edit any more than I have to. But here is the purple one. Same exact concept going on. There's not much else to talk about them here. It's a basic t-shirt. And then here is the white one, which feels a little bit more, oh no. I just realized the lav mic I had under here fell down and wasn't pointing in the right direction, so I apologize if that audio sounded weird for I don't know how long that was. But yeah, feels like the same material as this tee right here. And I don't have a like plain white t-shirt to wear at all, so that's why I wanted to get a plain white t-shirt. So there are your branded basic tees. If you guys are interested in getting any of these, they currently have a promo going on where you can get 3 of them for 40 bucks. I think normally They're like 15 a piece. You also can get 3 of these graphic tees for 50 if you guys like any of these. And if you click my link down below in the description, and it will be in a pinned comment as well, that will automatically apply my code SimSkater at checkout, and you will save an additional 10% off anything you order off into the AM. So yeah, plain and simple, that's the video. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. But thanks for watching so much. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, consider subscribing if you like any of the AM stuff, because I do little unboxing reviews, whatever you want to call them, periodically on this channel. Check the links down below in the description again if you'd like to help support my channel. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. My name is SimSkater, and I'll see you all on the next video. Peace out.